माननीय सभासदों, माननीय उपसभापति जी।
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार। Papers to be laid on the table of the House. Shri Piyush Goyal.
To lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1 of today's list of business.
Shri Sanwar Lal Jat.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यव्यवहार की सूची की क्रम संख्या 2 मैं अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागज आपकी अनुमति से सदन की टेबल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री उपेंद्र कुशवाहा
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 3 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री राधाकृष्णन पी।
Lay on the table of the House the papers as mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in today's business.
Once again, Shri Upendra Kushwaha.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 5 पर अपने साथी श्री रामशंकर कठेरिया के नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Message from the Lok Sabha Secretary General.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on 7th August 2015 adopted a motion further extending the time for presentation of the report of the Joint Committee on Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Amendment Second Bill 2015 up to 11th August 2015.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy.
Sir, I
K.P.
beg to lay on the
Ramalingam.
table a copy, English and Hindi, of the 8th report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy 2014-15 on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in its first report, 16th Lok Sabha, on demand for grants, 14-15 of the Ministry of Power, sir. Thank you, sir.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution. Shri K.K. Ragesh.
Sir, I lay on the table a copy of each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution, 2014-15. 1. Fifth report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the first report, 16 Lok Sabha, on demands for grants 2014-15 of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Food and Public Distribution. And 2. Second report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the second report, 16 Lok Sabha, on demands for grants 2014-15 of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Consumer Affairs. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Report of the Committee on Public Undertaking. Shri Narendra Budania. Shri Narendra Budania.
Sir, I beg to lay the Hindi and English version of the 7th report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations contained in the 27th report of the Committee on Public Undertaking, 15th Lok Sabha, on joint venture operation of ONGC Videsh Limited, based on audit report number 28 of 2010 and 2011 performance audit.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment. Srimati Jarnadas Baidya.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy is in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment 2014-15.
Statement of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment. Srimati Baidya again. Again, statement. Lay karo.
I beg to lay on the table a copy is in English and Hindi of the following statements of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment 2014-15.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Urban Development. Sri Mugul Roy. Sri Anil Desai.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 8th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Urban Development 2014-15 on action taken by the government on the observations recommendations contained in the 6th report 6th report, 16th Lok Sabha on demands for grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation.
Statement by Minister Sushri Uma Bharati. Sushri Uma Bharati. No. You have to intimate. पहले इंटीमेशन देना है.
चलो बाद में नहीं कर देंगे.
Okay, as a special case I allow, but hereafter make it a point.
Late tomorrow otherwise. Sir, on behalf of my colleague Sushri Uma Bharti, I beg to lay a statement regarding status of implementation and recommendations contained in the first report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources on demands for grants 2014-15 pertaining to the Ministry of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation on the table of that.
Now, second statement, yours. Your own statement.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the first report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy on demands for grants 2014-15 pertaining to the Ministry of Power against my name at serial number 2 of today's list of business.
Okay. Now, please. Now, all of you sit down. What is the yes? Let me listen to leader of opposition.
Sir.
What do you want to say?
माननीय डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर.
You say something which facilitates the discussion in the House.
Yes, I am saying that also. सर एक इम्प्रेशन
No, don't do that.
3-4
Why you
दिनों
are
से
standing like a statue? I don't like this. No.
Please.
No, at least you ask him to sit down. No, at least you ask him to be quiet.
He used to do when we were in the government also. At least then he used to sit there. Now he is there.
Sit down, this is...
अच्छा बस अब इनको रहने दो.
अरे
माननीय डिप्टी चेयरमैन साहब, मैं एक
your own leader is speaking. Seelam, your own leader is speaking. I will allow you. Let me first listen to him. Don't show the postage. Don't show the placard. If you want, I will allow you, but take your seat. Now, allow me. If you behave in a disciplined way, I can allow you.
Sir,
not this way.
Sir,
don't show placard.
Please.
Yes, sit down. You sit down, Mr. Rao.
सर
Sit down, Mr. Rao. Yes.
एक इम्प्रेशन दो क्रिएट किया जा रहा है और पेपरों में आया कि माननीय पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ने लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन राज्यसभा और लीडर ऑफ कांग्रेस पार्टी लोकसभा से बात की, जो गतिरोध चल रहा है दोनों सदनों में उसको ख़त्म करने की। मैं ये स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं कि ऐसी कोई मीटिंग नहीं हुई थी। प्लीज अलबत्ता उन्होंने टेलीफोन किया था, लेकिन वो गतिरोध को तोड़ने के लिए नहीं था। वो उनका सलाह था कि माननीय स्पीकर साहिबा ने कांग्रेस के एमपीज को निकाला है उस सदन से 5 दिन के लिए, तो यदि अगर कुछ लोग उनसे बात कर सके।
You cannot criticize it
so
here.
That was totally different.
You cannot criticize it here.
I'm not saying. So I'm just saying it had nothing to do with this subject which is being projected कि उन्होंने गतिरोध तोड़ने के लिए, तो इसलिए वो इससे संबंधित नहीं था। ये मैं क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ। सर, जिन मुद्दों पर पिछले 3 हफ्तों से पार्लियामेंट चल नहीं रहा है, उन मुद्दों पर अभी तक सरकार की तरफ से, चाहे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी हों या पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर हों, लीडर ऑफ द हाउसेज हों, उनकी तरफ से कोई हल निकालने का प्रयास नहीं किया गया। और उसके साथ साथ ही मुझे बहुत अफसोस से कहना पड़ता है कि हर दिन नई चीजें हो रही हैं। अभी नागालैंड में NSCN के साथ जो अकॉर्ड की बात हुई, पहले 3 चीफ मिनिस्टरों ने कहा हमसे नहीं पूछा गया,
अब नागालैंड के आज चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि आई वॉज टेकन अनअवेयर, अब मैं आ रहा हूं यार, आई वॉज टेकन अनअवेयर जब मैंने टेलीफोन पे सुना इधर से कोऑपरेटिव फेडरलिज्म की धज्जियां उड़ाई जा रही हैं। चीफ मिनिस्टर बिहार से नहीं पूछा जाता, चीफ मिनिस्टर हिमाचल से नहीं पूछा जाता गवर्नर अपॉइंटमेंट करने के लिए। और कल तो हद हो गई जब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, हम चाहे प्रधानमंत्री जी की पार्टी के खिलाफ कुछ बीजेपी के खिलाफ हों, लेकिन हम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री को हम बड़े आदर, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री का हम बड़ा आदर करते हैं, लेकिन विपक्ष के लीडरों के खिलाफ जिस तरह की भाषा का उपयोग करते हैं बीजेपी के मिनिस्टर कांग्रेस के लीडरों के नेशनल लीडरों के खिलाफ किस तरह की भाषा का उपयोग करते हैं, तो गतिरोध कैसे, गतिरोध के लिए रास्ते नहीं बनाए जा रहे हैं, बल्कि गतिरोध को बढ़ाने का काम ये सरकार और ये हुकूमत करती है, अपोजिशन को गालियां देने का काम कर रही है और फेडरलिज्म, कोऑपरेटिव फेडरलिज्म को खत्म करने का काम कर रही है।
This is not correct. You are no, Mr. LOP. You are no. This is not correct. I don't approve this. No. This is not correct. This is not correct. No, I am sorry. No. This is.
अध्यक्ष जी,
Yes. Honorable Leader of the House.
मैं औपचारिक रूप
Leader of the
से
House, please. You stop
नेता
this.
प्रतिपक्ष ने जो कहा,
अरे बाबा, they had your leader in silence. You go back. No, that is not good. No, why did? No. This is not the way. This is not the way. This is indecent behavior. Indecent behavior. Hitting below the belt. This is betraying the chair. Not good. Yes.
अध्यक्ष जी, जो नेता प्रतिपक्ष ने कहा, मैं औपचारिक रूप से उसका पूर्ण खंडन करता हूं। कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेतृत्व से दोनों सदनों में कई बार प्रयास हुआ बात करने की, उनका सदैव रवैया ये रहा, हमारा रुख जो है, हम उस विषय को आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकते क्योंकि हमारी पार्टी का निर्णय है कि हमने सदन इस बार चलने नहीं देना। इसलिए हर कम्युनिकेशन में ये उत्तर मिला है। जहां तक इनके मुख्यमंत्रियों का प्रश्न है, ये स्पष्ट रहे कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के मुख्यमंत्रियों ने ट्वीट कर नागालैंड अकॉर्ड का स्वागत किया और इनके नेतृत्व के जब गलत दबाव आए तो उसके बाद उन ट्वीट्स को औपचारिक रूप से वापस लिया है। ये एक वास्तविकता और हकीकत है।
केसी त्यागी, रूल 267 केसी त्यागी, रूल 267 केसी त्यागी, बोल रहे ना? You ask them. No, please. अरे प्लीज
सर, मैं आपका ध्यान,
अरे रिमूव दिस।
जब हम लोग बोले तो बोले नहीं।
I agree with you. Yes. I agree with you.
सर, रविशंकर जी, प्लीज। I am heard in pin drop silence. How will you allow the Congress party to speak? You can't have a house conducted in a manner where the government is not allowed to speak. Is this a conduct of the house?
I tell you.
Sir, I have a point of order.
This house, 1 second.
Sir, I have a point of order.
I will come to that.
सर मैं
I will come to that. See, Mr. Tyagi,
सर
1 second. This house is the property of all. It belongs equally to everybody. Selective blocking is not acceptable. Is not acceptable. Selective blocking is not acceptable. No, see, I see. No, that, I have never seen such a practice. Like you start, no, I don't. Selective blocking is not acceptable. Yes. So, no, you see.
सर मैं आपका ध्यान
Let me listen.
सर मैं आपका
Let
ध्यान
me see. No, let me see. Okay. Let me listen to no. Let me say. You go back to your seat. See. No, please.
सर मैं आपका
No.
ध्यान
See, I am prepared to allow Tyagi, but I am prepared to allow Tyagi 267.
Sir,
but
मैं आपका ध्यान-
before taking a decision, I want to listen to the other side also.
मैं आपका
That should be
ध्यान-
permitted. Otherwise, I cannot allow. So, आप लोग बैठिए.
शंकर जी सर मैं आपका ध्यान
Yeah, I agree. No, this is another issue. This is that is not the issue. No, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Issue is different.
सदन के
That
नेता
issue is different.
Issue is not different. There is a commonality in the issue. The House can't be conducted in a manner that the government is not allowed to speak. And it is your responsibility to ensure that the government is allowed to speak. I think it's an unfortunate commentary on the manner in which the House is being conducted. The leader of the opposition speaks. The leader of the opposition speaks. The government is not allowed to respond. Then you allow another opposition to speak. The government is not allowed to respond. It is your responsibility to safeguard the rights of the government.
House is adjourned up to 12 hours. Adjourned up to 12